Hey there, hustlers! Are you looking for an easy way to earn money online? In this video, we unveil a surprising opportunity to make money. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a single way to make money online. And let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I want to make videos that fit region, so drop your country down below. Alright, so let's talk about one of the simplest ways to make money online that literally can do. Solving CAPTCHAs. Yeah, those weird puzzles you see when logging into websites, you can actually get paid for doing those. The website I'm talking about today is called CAPTCHA. And yes, it's 100% legit. It's not going to make you rich overnight or anything. But if you're looking for extra cash and don't have any special skills, it's a solid place to start. Here's how it works. Websites use CAPTCHAs to make sure people are real, not bots. But sometimes they need actual humans to solve them. That's where CAPTCHA comes in. They pay people like you and me to complete these tasks. All you have to do is sign up and you can start solving CAPTCHAs right away. The best part? CAPTCHA is available globally. And if you're more of a phone person, they even have a mobile app for Android. Yep, you can literally earn money while chilling on your couch, just using your phone. The main way to make money here is by solving as many CAPTCHAs as you can. The more you solve, the more you earn. It's super straightforward, and there are no tricky requirements or weird tests to pass. But wait, there's another way to boost your income. CAPTCHA lets you earn extra by inviting others to join. There are two ways. You can refer workers who solve CAPTCHAs like you, and you'll earn 10% of what they make, paid by the website, not your friend. Or you can refer customers who want to bypass CAPTCHAs automatically. For those, you'll get 10% of whatever they spend on the service. Pretty cool, right? When it comes to cashing out, CAPTCHA gives you a bunch of options, including WebMoney, Pisa, Perfect Money, Payeer, AdVcash, AirTM, and even Bitcoin. So you can pick what works best for you. So if you're looking for a super easy way to make a little extra money online, CAPTCHA is definitely worth checking out. Have you ever tried earning by solving CAPTCHAs? Or do you have another favorite side hustle? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing your stories. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next way to make money online. See you in the next one.